Go home happy with the 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the opportunity to take this vehicle out for a test drive. Our team will give you an outstanding customer experience. Stop in today.